Matt here from Agate Technology. Today I'm going to be demonstrating the 4 to 20 milliamp input test using the AT-2040. So for this test all we need is the AT-2040, our transmitter, mounting adapter, and then the input adapter. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and screw the mounting adapter onto the transmitter. Mount the transmitter to the AT-2040. And by the way, the AT-2040 is the only portable calibrator that can do the input test without any external equipment. We do this by having a 24 volt output here, and that will give the transmitter 24 volts to supply the current. So just going to plug this little thing in here. Take the wires and push down on these orange tabs. You can use your fingers. I like to use a little screwdriver, and they just go right in. Pretty easy. Okay, so now everything is hooked up, and we can see by the data sheet that we want to run this at 1.6 IPS. Now the screen should be reading 4 milliamps when the transmitter is at rest. So I'm just going to go ahead and give it a little wobble with my finger. We can see that it supplies the current to the AT-2040 and then settles back down to 4 milliamps when it's not in motion. So let's go ahead and start the real test. So what we expect to see in the sensitivity box in the lower left is 1.6. Anything close to that is acceptable. The transmitter does have a tolerance. We can look that up on the data sheet to see what it is. But I know from experience that when it says 1.6 to 1.59, it's definitely going to be within tolerance. We can also see that this transmitter right now is putting out 20 milliamps. So everything looks good. We're going to go ahead and validate this, and that's it. That's as simple as it gets. Now I have seen other competing products advertise that they can do the 4 to 20 milliamp measurement, but your setup's going to look like this. You're going to have the shaker, which is shaking the transmitter. You're going to need the 24 volt supply, which by the way, a lot of power supplies only go up to 15 volts, so you'll have to find one that goes up to 24. And then you're going to need some kind of spreadsheet or calculator to calculate the sensitivity of the transmitter. So as you can see, this is not a very portable setup. So with the AT-2040 you have everything built into one unit. It's very functional, very nice thing to have.